Very good morning, everyone. Hope you all are safe at your home. Please do take care of yourself, beta. So, today we'll start chapter number 2, exercise 2. So, let's start exercise 2.1. So, question 1 of exercise 2.1 is write 5 equivalent fraction for minus 9 by 12. So, what is equivalent fraction, beta? How you will find the equivalent fraction? Beta, you will find equivalent fraction of any fraction by dividing or multiplying the fraction with the same number. See, for example, this is 9 by 12 here. Either divide both of them with the same number or multiply both of them with the same number. You can do anything, but I'll suggest you to multiply both the numbers, that is numerator and denominator, with same number to find the equivalent fraction. First I am multiplying 9 with 2, so it will be minus 18 because minus is already written here. So here you have multiplied numerator with 2, so you have to multiply denominator also with 2. So here minus 18 by 24 is the equivalent fraction of minus 9 by 12. This is first, but you have to write 5 equivalent. Now multiply minus 9 with 3, it will be minus 27. Multiply 12 also with 3, it will be 36. Now you can multiply minus 3 with minus 9 with 4 and 12 also with 4 and then with 5. I have multiplied with 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can multiply with any number. Like you can multiply with 8. So multiply minus 9 with 8 and 12 with also 8. With the same number you will multiply or divide numerator and denominator to find equivalent fraction. You can also divide also. Here I am dividing this with 3. So when I'll divide minus 9 with 3, it will be minus 3. And if I'll divide 12 with 3, it will be 4. So minus 3 by 4 is also equivalent fraction of minus 9 by 12. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is evaluate. Here beta, mixed fraction is given to you 7 3 by 5 plus 8 2 by 5. So a mixed fraction is given to you and you have to solve it. You have to add. Beta, always do remember one thing. Whenever you have to add fractions, what you will do is you will only add the numerators, but the denominators must be same. So whenever denominators are same, always only add the numerators. Okay, always only add the numerators. And if denominators are not same, so first of all you will make them same by taking LCM, and then again you will add only numerators. So let's solve it. First of all, mixed fractions are given to you. Convert them into improper fraction. How you will convert mixed into improper? Multiply first of all these two. 7 5s are 35. Now add the numerator. It will be 38 by 5. Plus solve this also. When you will solve it, it will be 42 by 5. Okay. Now after converting mixed into improper, add them. How to add? First of all, check denominators are same. Yes, denominators are same. So write denominator only one time. Add only numerators. So when you will add them, it will be 80 by 5. It will be 80 by 5. Now convert this into simplest form. Convert them into simplest form. Now what is simplest form, beta? Simplest form means when there is HCF 1 in numerator and denominator. When in numerator and denominator HCF is 1, means nothing is common in numerator and denominator. Here, so cut them. 5 1 is 5. 5 1 is 5, carry 3. So it will go on 16. So answer is 16. Clear? Come on next now. Question number 3. Here, question number 3 is write in simplest form. I already told you how to convert in simplest form, Hana. So how you will convert in simplest form? So first one is 144 by 54. So how you will convert in simplest form? Beta, you have to check is anything is common in numerator and denominator. They are cutting with same number or not. Let's take 2 first. Check whether both numbers are divisible by 2 or not. Yes, here both the numbers are divisible by 2. So cut them. This will go on 72 and this will go on 27. Okay. Now check again whether both the numbers are divisible by 2 or not. No. Now both are not divisible by 2. 72 is divisible but 27 is not divisible. So check with 3 whether they are divisible by 3 or not. Yes, both are divisible by 3. So divide them. You can divide like this also, 3 and 72. So it will go on 24 and it will go on 9. Now check again whether they are divisible by 3 or not. Yes, again they are divisible by 3. So it will go on 8 and it will go on 3. So now they are not divisible by any other number. So here HCF of numerator and denominator is 1. So this is your answer. Clear? Now come on question number. This was beta question number 4. Question number 3 is evaluate. In this you have to subtract. Same concept you have to follow which we have covered in question number 2. First of all, in question number 3, what you will do? You will check denominators are same or not. If denominators are same, only subtract the numerators. And if denominators are not same, take LCM and then make the denominator same and then again subtract numerator only. Clear? Now come on question number 5. Classify the following fractions into proper, improper and mixed. You all know now proper fraction, improper and mixed. Let's recall it quick. Proper fractions are those whose numerators are smaller than denominator. Improper, in this either numerator is greater or equal to the denominator, and in mixed fraction it is a combination of proper and a whole number. So you have to just classify that this is which fraction. So first one is mixed fraction because this is a combination of proper and a whole number. This is proper fraction because here numerator is smaller. Now come on question number 6. Convert the following improper fraction into mixed. Whenever you have to convert improper fraction into mixed, you will divide. So how you will do it? The first one is 231 by 14. So just divide 14 with 231. Okay. After division, how you will write in mixed fraction? The quotient you will write in between, remainder you will write in the place of numerator, and denominator you will write as it is. I am giving you one example. Suppose you are dividing 7 with 3. So here 2 is quotient, 1 is remainder and 3 is divisor or denominator also you can say. So 2 you will write in between, 1 you will write in the place of numerator which is remainder, and 3 which is divisor you will write in denominator. So this is how you will do question number 6. Question number 7 is Arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means to arrange the fractions from smallest to greatest. See here, denominators are different. So how do you know? How you will come to know that which fraction is greater or which is smaller? So first step to arrange in ascending, to take LCM. So first of all take LCM and then check which is the smallest and which is the greatest. So arrange, after taking LCM, arrange all of them in ascending order. Same concept you will do in descending order. Clear? Now come on, applying thoughts. Shivangi ate 1/7 part of and Sadhna ate 5/6 part out of 2 ice cream. Who ate more and by how much? First of all, convert this mixed fraction into improper. So first one is of Shivani. Shivani ate 1/7 part. So 1/7 is equal to 8/7 part. है ना? When you will solve this mixed fraction into improper, it will be 8/7. And Sandhya ate 5/6 part. Sandhya ate 5/6 part. So who ate more? How you can analyze it? First of all, take LCM. 8/7, 5/6. Take LCM. So LCM is 42. Now multiply 8 with 6 and 5 with 7. It will be 48 and this will be 35. Now tell me, 48 is greater or 35 is greater? 48 is greater. So at last you'll write Shivani ate more. And it is also, you have to find by how much. So you'll write Shivani ate more. By how much? What you will do? You will subtract these two fractions. So answer is 13/42. This is your answer. Clear? Now come on second one. Vipin completed maths and science assignment in 1/3 hours and this is 32/24 hours respectively. How much time he took to complete both assignment? So what you will do? You will add these two. First of all, convert this into improper and then add these two by taking LCM. Next, which assignment took more time? What you will do? After taking LCM, just compare them and subtract it. Now, in the same way, you will do second. Now, come on third. Observe the given figures and find the perimeter. In this beta, you have to find the perimeter. Perimeter is about the boundary of the figure. So, in first, they are talking about ABC. This is ABC. AB is given 1/7/8. BC is given 2/3/4 and AC is given 3/2/3. First of all, add all these three fractions. Convert first of all into improper, then add all these three. You will get the answer. Clear? So this way you will do exercise 2.1. Thank you everyone.